Jessica and Christy, the owners of Helping Hands Doulas, and we've been supporting families for over 16 years.
And today we're going to help you make some padsicles. So why would we want to be making padsicles? Well, after you have a baby, you can be a little bit sore on the perineum and a little inflamed. So having something cool is really, really great. So what we can do instead of having to put ice, which can be quite intense, is you can make padsicles. So we do suggest overnight pads, but we like anything that is not always. Nothing against always. They are great for regular periods, but after you have a baby, they have a plastic lining that can be very irritating after you have a baby. So this is a great brand, but you can use really anything except for Always brand. So all you do, this is so simple. All you do is you open up the package. We like Thayer's Witch Hazel, just because it has some aloe in it, but you can get any sort of witch hazel from any health food store.
And if you're wondering why witch hazel is a natural antiseptic, so it keeps things nice and clean, and the aloe helps to keep things nice and cool.
So this has a nice spray tip, so all you're going to do is go back and forth just a couple times. You don't want to soak the pad, that would defeat the purpose of having the pad. Fold it back up, put it back into your wrapper, fill up your package with ones that are already done, stick this into your freezer, and then when you are going to the hospital, you can take out some to take to the hospital. You can put it in a cooler bag, but you can also keep these in your freezer for when you come home.
A great time to do this is the same time you're packing your hospital bag, which is somewhere between 35 and 37 weeks for most people.
Most people will find that they use quite a few of these in the first couple of days, and then they won't need them as much for days that they are hanging around the house. But when you have a doctor's appointment, you're going out, you're moving around more, there's a bit more swelling, so we recommend when you come home, it feels good to put on your padsicle.
So if you'd like to find out more about what we can offer prenatally for birth or postpartum, contact us at helpinghandsdoula.com for your free consultation. We would love to meet with you.